So, hey, everybody, my name is Rick Silva. Hey, have you ever said things like, how do I attract more referrals? How do I get more people to send me referrals? I need more referrals for my business. My referral business is way too inconsistent. Well, we're going to cover those questions and a whole lot more coming up right now. Thanks for being here. This is video number 8 in about a 10 or 11 part series. It's all about the foundation of networking, and it all is connected to the elevator pitch. This one's titled More Referrals Using the Reticular Activating System. So if you watch all the other videos, you know my name's Rick Silva. I'm a referral coach. I help people who need more referrals. I'm a referral coach. I'm not a real estate coach. I'm not a chiropractic coach. I'm a referral coach. So I can teach you how to build a foundation so you can have a referral-based practice, so you don't have to chase around leads and cold call and door knock and have people constantly complaining and asking a million questions, and at the last minute they ask you for a discount or they go with someone else. All of that happens when you have a lead-based practice. Generally, none of that happens when you have a referral-based practice. Been helping my wife in a real estate business for the last 10 years. We have like 10 escrows going right now. I'd say we've done between 750 and 800 real estate transactions in the last 10 years without ever door knocking or cold calling or paying for leads. And I want to have the same thing for you. By Tony Robbins, I've always believed in what you focus on grows. Where focus goes, energy flows. The reticular activating system is called the RAS, provides the major pathology for being in the flow state. So we're going to talk about what the reticular activating system is, where it is, how it works, and how we can use it to make millions of dollars. Because I've done it and I've taught a lot of people how to do it. I want you to see how to do it. So we're going to get into that right now. So question today, how can I get more people to send me referrals? Man, I send people referrals. I never get any back. I hardly ever get any referrals, past clients. People don't send me a lot of referrals. I don't know what's going on. They don't know how to send referrals. No, you don't know how to teach them to send you referrals. So we need to get good at teaching people. We need to program their mind so they know what to look for and listen for to send us more referrals. It's your job to program their reticular activating system. So you need to teach them what to look for and listen for, and it has to be laser point specific. We're gonna get deeper into that. So the reticular activating system, it's above the spinal cord. It's about 2 inches long. It's about the width of a pencil. Some people say it's the size of a thumb. It's somewhere about yay big. What it does is it connects the subconscious part of our brain with the conscious part of our brain. Most all senses come through the reticular activating system. There's a picture of what the RAS looks like. It's in your brainstem. So what the reticular activating system does, it filters out the unnecessary and focuses on the important. You may have seen the car example, the restaurant example, if you've looked at other reticular activating system. I'm gonna take this video deeper than I've ever seen anybody teach the reticular activating system, and then we're gonna have it specifically focused on referrals. So if we just look at the first sentence, it focuses on the important and it filters out the unnecessary. So here's one example. You're in a restaurant, there's noise everywhere, and yet you're still able to fully concentrate on the person sitting across from you speaking to you. And that's because your reticular activating system can block out all the noise and give you laser point specificity or specific topic, which is, in that case, listening to the person speaking to you. It's used in sustaining life. It helps make goals happen. Writing down goals, vision boards. When you're looking at your goals or looking at the vision board, you need the reticular activating system to tap into the law of attraction. So the only way you can use the law of attraction is the reticular activating system taps into it. The reticular activating system, as I'm going to show you in a second, is a radio antenna. And I'll explain that here in a second. So it helps goals happen. It helps you focus on, so the third one is you need to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Because if you don't have enough money or enough sales and you're always focusing on not having money, your reticular activating system is going to make that come true for you. If you're not selling enough homes, doing enough loans, adjusting enough people's back, and you're thinking about that, it's going to give you more of that. So you got to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. That's why you need to focus on your goals, not on the lack. You need to be intentional about what you want. Identify and have that subconscious part of your brain work for you. The reticular activating system brings to light what you're looking for. So if you start looking for negative stuff, it's going to bring you negative stuff. Why I put that in there twice? Oh, that's why. I got the picture in the. Most people who teach the RAS talk about the car. So let's just use the car example. You have thought about a car, you've bought a car, you've read about it in a magazine, and when you got the car, or when you really started thinking about it, in this case, let's talk about the gray BMW. You thought about buying a gray BMW. Everywhere you look, you see a gray BMW. You walk out the front door, man, I was just thinking about a gray BMW. There it is. You're driving down the road, you see 17 gray BMWs. Oh my God, everywhere I look, there's gray BMWs. Now, here's the thing. Make very clear. They were always there. The gray BMWs are always there. You just decided to start noticing them. That's the reticular activating system. You were thinking about a health product. You were thinking about going vegan. You open up a magazine, to any random page, there's a vegan article. You go on the internet, you're scrolling around, vegan stuff's popping up all over the place. You're talking to a friend, you're hearing conversations, vegan. You're watching TV, vegan. It was always there. You just decided, your reticular activating system just decided to start noticing it. Now, I'm going to take this to a level that has never been explained to you, because I've watched every reticular activating system video I could find on YouTube. What I'm about to show you is going to take this so deep, and then I'm going to teach you how to make millions of dollars with it. I don't care what industry you're in. If you're getting value out of this, I would really appreciate it if you smash the like button, even hit that bell notification so you know when the next videos are coming up. Like, subscribe, tell your friends and family about. One referral away, trying to help you get more referrals. Again, if you need a referral coach, my information's down below. Hit me up, go to onereferralaway.com, and we can talk. So now I'm going to take this deep for you. Two ways. I want to show you how the reticular activating system connects to the law of attraction. Now, the next video after this one, the next video is using the law of attraction to get the referrals and to create wealth. But we got to learn about the reticular activating system first and why you need to be specific. So I want you to think about an old school radio. You can think about your Sirius satellite in your car, but if you think about an old school radio that has a dial that tunes in the radio station. So if you want to have country music, then you tune the radio and the antenna starts vibrating at a frequency that taps into the country music station, and then the music flows through and it blasts out your speakers. You want to listen to rock and roll, you tune the radio to the rock and roll station. The frequency of the antenna picks it up out of the air. It goes into the antenna, and you get rock and roll music. You like classical music, tuned to the classical music radio station. This is vibrating, and it attracts the like kind vibration, flows into this and comes out the speaker. The reticular activating system works exactly the same way. You have got to tap into the radio station of referrals. Okay. So this gets a little crazy about what I'm going to talk to you about now. I'm going to talk to you about an acorn. But I want you to understand, you have got to tap into, let me cover something else with you. I want you to understand this also. So if I want to listen to country music, rock and roll music, classical, whatever it is, you have got to believe it's in my hand. I'm holding it in my hand. In fact, let's do this. I should have done this from the start. So this is the antenna. Whatever radio station we want, we tune it and it flies in here. So understand, country music, I'm holding it in my hand. I'm holding it. I'm holding rock and roll music in my hand. And if you do this and hold your hand out, you're holding country music and rock and roll music and classical music and whatever music you want. The way it's here. It's right here in my hand. The only way you're going to manifest it so you can hear it is you got to tune the antenna into the station that brings it to you. So understand it's in your hand. You got to tap into it. Now understand also all the referrals that you could ever handle, ever, are right here in your hand. They're right here. You need to tap the radio station, which is the reticular activating system. You need to tune the radio station into the referrals, just like you tune the radio into music that's sitting in my hand. When this is vibrating at the right vibration, it just sucks the music in and it starts to play. You want to suck the referrals in so you can make more money. Now, you must learn to program the minds of your referral partners. Let's take this one level deeper and let's talk about an acorn. So this is an acorn. Now, if I plant the acorn, what grows? An oak tree. I'm not going to play any guessing games with you. An oak tree grows if we plant a unicorn. I mean, an acorn. Plant a unicorn. I don't know what's going to grow. If we plant an acorn, we get an oak tree. Now, if we cut this seed open, is there a big giant tree inside of it? The answer is no. There's not a tree inside of it. It's a mass of motion. So if you open it up, what's inside the acorn is the potential to become an oak tree. The only way it becomes an oak tree is because it's vibrating at a certain frequency that can only create an oak tree. It can't create a lemon tree. It can't create a rose bush. It can't create a pine tree. It can only create an oak tree because that's how it's genetically programmed by vibration, the same as the antenna, by vibration. Now, if what's in the water, the soil, and the clouds, I mean the sun, the water, the soil, the sun. If the vitamins coming from the sun create a redwood tree, it's repelled. If it creates an oak tree, it's attracted. If the vitamins and minerals that are in the soil create a lemon tree or a rose bush, it's repelled. If it creates an oak tree, it's attracted. Same thing with the water. The vitamins and the minerals that create an oak tree, it flies into the seed. If it doesn't, it's repelled. So before let me just show you this picture, and then I'm going to ask you a question. So this little tiny seed, which is about this big, creates this giant tree. So if this seed one day said, hey, today I want to be a rose bush, it would pick it up and replant itself. I'm going to be a rose bush today. A week later, picks itself up and plants itself and says, I want to be a redwood tree today. And then it picks itself up and plants itself, and I want to be a lemon tree. Will it ever grow? And the answer to that question is no, it will never grow. So it will only grow into a giant oak tree. Your referral business will only grow into a giant referral business if you aren't vague. If the seed is vague, it won't grow. If the seed is laser specific, from the water, from the soil, from the sun, that creates an oak tree, creates a referral-based practice, flies into the seed. If it creates anything else, it's repelled. So the point I'm trying to make is this. Rick, what's the point of all this antenna and acorn stuff? Your elevator pitch has to be laser specific. I'm going to give you an example shortly, but it has to be laser specific. So I coach a lot of real estate agents. So if you're a real estate agent, the famous line is, hey, everybody, I'm a real estate agent. I do real estate. And a great client is anybody who needs a home. I've heard dentists say anybody who has teeth. Chiropractors, anybody who has a spine. But the thing is, that doesn't program the reticular activating system in other people's minds. You have to program their mind. In the next video, I'm going to give you the exact wording on how to program their mind so you can tap into their reticular activating system, and then you can have a giant oak tree as a referral-based practice. So just to recap this part, you need to program your referral sources, whether it's your past clients, current clients, referral partners, COI, POI, whatever, power partner, whatever you want to call it. You need to program their minds what to look for and listen for. They can send you more and better referrals. The reticular activating system is in the brainstem. It's about 2 inches long. It's where all your senses come in, except the sense of smell. Your introduction must be laser specific to fire the reticular activating system in your audience. It can't be, well, good referral. Anybody who has money, anybody who has back pain. No. So the exact wording will be in the next video. Stick with me. I got some more stuff to show you. Down below in the description below, if you want to download the PDF template so you can watch the elevator pitch video that specifically is for the wording of it, which is the links down below. Go there down below, click the link, download it. So some of the ways I can help you, I'm a referral coach. I'm not a marketing coach. I'm not going to teach you how to run Facebook ads because I freaking hate leads. Leads are a waste of time, in my opinion. Referrals are the only way to go. If you need help with your scripting, you want to learn how to find your power partners, approach your power partners, have coffee meetings with them. What are you going to do and say? How are you going to get your referrals from everyone you meet? Writing the scripting, coaching you, teaching you, give you the methodology. It's all at onereferralaway.com. Now, over there, if you want the course, it's right here, the One Referral Away Essentials course. But what I want to talk about, because this is the elevator pitch series, what I want to show you are these two boxes. So if you go to One Referral Away, you'll see these two boxes. The one on the left is if you want to enter your email address and watch the video and craft your elevator pitch. Cool. If you want, for 99 bucks, you watch the video, send it to me. I will pull it up on my screen. I will videotape myself critiquing it. I will finalize your elevator pitch. I will read it perfectly. So it's a perfect elevator pitch. I'll record it. I'll put it on my YouTube channel and I'll send it to you and you'll have your completed elevator pitch. If you want me to do that for you, it's 99 bucks. Just go to One Referral Away. I also have a Patreon page, One Referral Away at Patreon. That's the cheapest way to get monthly coaching from me. So go check that out if you're interested. In the next video, referral marketing and the law of attraction. That's where I'm going to give you the exact word for word wording to tap into people's reticular activating system. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.